Hi all, this is Des and Dye Properties. We're working in an old presbytery, and you probably see these beautiful big cornices, but a lot of them have sort of broken away, and I'm actually using a polyurethane adhesive sealant to gap fill and to make sure the cornices stay stuck. And you probably see how bad it is. It's all flaked and cracked away, even though the cornice is probably still fairly strong, but because it's an old solid brick presbytery, there's been a bit of movement, so we've got some cracks in the brickwork and everything like that. So just to give you a bit of an idea what this looks like, and then we'll come back and have a look when we've got it all painted out and repaired, and hopefully I'll get this old cupboard here, which is actually a bed, get that out as well. Hi, Daz again. It's a Sunday night, probably about 7 o'clock. I've just finished getting this room painted out. The paint's still a bit wet on the walls, but you can sort of see what we've done with that cornice to bring that back and get rid of a lot of all the cracks and also all the gaps that was peeling away from the ceiling. So we've resealed that. It's probably a bit hard because we're not getting good light, but yeah, to see what it looks like almost like brand new again, which is fabulous to see. Okay, that's it. Time to have a break.